Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just a big warning to all Facebook users. There is a new type of scam that apparently a lot of people are falling for. So basically, the scammers are trying to pass themselves as the Facebook team, and it tells you that your account is going to be terminated if you don't appeal. They're going to actually make sure that your account doesn't work anymore. But it's a scam. They are using bots that are actually going through Facebook Messenger and through emails and trying to lure you into thinking that your account has a problem. So it will show up in an email that looks either like this. This is one example here. So it tells you, hello, your page has been scheduled for deletion after violating our community standards. And of course it says new message from Facebook, and it comes from this very weird email. This is already an indication something weird's happening, and that's not normal. You could see also the very weird HTTPS, which is not at all where it should go. So the Appeal Now button actually sends you to what looks like a Facebook recovery account. It has the same look, the same feel, but it's asking you tons of personal details, including the passwords of your account. Do not fall for this, and tell everybody that you think could be susceptible to fall for this, to warn them about it. It's very important to share this video with as many people as possible to let everybody know that this is a scam. The second way that they're trying to scam you is through Messenger. In the Messenger, this is how it shows up. So it's going to say that it's page support. It's supposed to be the official page support for Facebook. And then it's going to tell you your page has been scheduled for permanent deletion for not following the Facebook community standards. You can appeal the decision. And there's an Appeal Now button. If you click on it, once again, it brings you to a page that looks like a official page for Facebook, but it's not. Once again, this is scam. Remember that if there are absolutely a problem with your account, it ain't going to send you an email, or it ain't going to send you a messenger info. When you log in, it's just plain going to tell you something's wrong. So don't fall for this. Once again, share this information. This is fake. Do not answer this. You delete everything. Do not click Appeal Now. Do not answer any of the questions. Just log into your Facebook account like you do usually. And if you get into your account and nothing's wrong, it's just going to be fine. So do not fall for these two email and messenger scams. Apparently, they are very, very popular in the past couple of weeks. And a lot of people are falling for this and actually are losing control of their accounts. So very important not to fall for this, okay? And share it with people that you think could be at risk of, clicking on the Appeal Now button because they don't understand that this is actually a fake message. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.